Meaning of hydrogenated.
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 Hydrogenated. The term hydrogenated refers to a process in which hydrogen is added to a substance, typically an unsaturated fat, to make it more saturated. This process creates a more solid and stable product that has a longer shelf life than the original substance. For example, hydrogenation of vegetable oil is often used to produce a type of fat known as trans fats, which can be found in many processed foods. However, consumption of trans fats has been linked to negative health effects, so many food manufacturers have been moving towards using alternative methods of fat production.